Why do you think India is still a developing country even after 64 years of its independence?
The main reason is that we are stuck in the past, okay? Politics is something which is very important in our lives. So it's very important that the youth of today join politics, because if we have to change something, then we must make an effort. We cannot stand outside and say that something inside is bad. So you have to go in and work for it. So that is what, and there is nothing, India is developing. It's not that we are underdeveloped. And if we want to be the best, then we have to try and make every effort to be the best. So I think it's not far off. The day is not far off.
But then, how can we motivate youngsters to be in politics?
I think platforms like this, Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad is one of them, wherein I think public speaking is very important. Before you go to politics, you must know how to convey your ideas properly, and so that this platform is really helpful. And yeah, so we need a lot of platforms like that, and the youth need to know more about the country's affairs. They have to read newspapers, not just the entertainment sections and the sports sections, every part. So I think it's not a far.
So, do you want to be a political leader in coming future?
See, I'm a law student, so they say that lawyers make good politicians. So I'm hoping for the best. Let's see. Yeah.
So, which politician or which person inspires you to be in this field?
In the political field,
In the political field or wherever you are?
I think everybody has some good quality or the other. So I like the good I want the political system which existed in the pre-independence era. So I think those were the best. I don't think anybody maybe to that extent has come after that. So I think they would be my inspiration. Yeah.
Thank you so much.